How to increase maximum volume in any Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type volume booster. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this application. Now tap on install. Now wait for some time. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now once you open up the application, give the notification permissions. Now set the volume to 100%. Then use the booster to increase the volume. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.